Hello everyone, this is Anirudh here and this is Echest. This is my submission for the Tanstack Start and Convex Hackathon. So yeah, this is a magical collaborative inventory like chest. So you can store stuff in this. It's real time, it's multi-device. So without further explanations, let's just move on to the app. So you can just click sign in with GitHub. It will take you to the actual login page. So you can sign in with GitHub or you can sign in anonymously. I have these two options because most of the people wouldn't sign in to apps like hackathon apps. So I have signed in with GitHub, but if you don't want to sign in, you can just try it out anonymously. So, and also there is light mode and dark mode. I'm just gonna keep it light mode for now. So I'm gonna click sign in with GitHub. So once you click sign in with GitHub, you will see this like authorize Echest demo. So you can click authorize and it will authorize and it will redirect you back to the home page. Actually, as you can see, this is the home page of our app. If you don't have any chest, it will just say no chest yet. Create your first chest. So I'm gonna create mine and I'm gonna name it Tanstack Start Convex Hackathon. You can also give a description. Chest made to store all things related to the hackathon. So you can give a chest name and a description and you can click create chest. So as you can see, it is created here and you can go click on here and go in. So as you can see the name here and also the description here, and you can see that you are the owner of this chest. And also you can click here to add collaborators. I will talk about it a bit later. And you can see you have multiple filters, like you can filter by today, this week, month, and you can also filter by types. You can store notes, links, images and files. So let's start with a quick to do. Record a demo, and you can see the task appear here, and I'm gonna add a few more to do so that it looks like it's someone is actually using this. Okay, as you can see, I have created all the tasks here. So actually it started raining outside. Okay, anyway, so if I want to show login, I already completed that, so I can tick it off and it will be here. You can click show completed and you can see the completed task, but that's done. And also there is tags, right? For example, I can say upload 2 sites and I can do like hashtag YouTube, hashtag LinkedIn and hashtag X, and I can hit enter. And as you can see, this is like, you can see the tags for the to-dos here, and the tags is not just for to-dos, you can also have notes. So for example, let's say, so I have a quote here, I can hashtag it with quote, and as you can see, as you are typing, the tags will show up here. So I'm gonna hit enter, and as you can see here, it is there and it also has quotes. So as you have start having quotes here, you can also filter them. So if I want to say, I just want to see the quote, I can click it and it will show me the actual item with that quote. And also another thing is go for a run. I can hit enter and I can click edit and I can add a date time if I want. So let's say I click today for it and save changes, and as you can see, it says today at 11:45. So if I were to like click today here, I can be able to filter it by the day, like today or this week or this month, and that's about it. So I have shown tags and I also shown the notes and links is there. Like if I, for example, I can go to, let's say there is a link like this, I can copy it and save it here, and I can put like design inspiration and I can click enter. So as you can see here, the link is added here. I can click open link and open the link whenever I want. So that is this for now. So I have also shown links. Okay, multi-user, right? So if you can see here, there is this button here, you can click on it and you can invite a collaborator, and I'm gonna add myself as a collaborator. And you can also give them roles, so viewer, editor and admin. I'm just going to give myself editor, and I can click on create invite link. So as you can see, invite link is copied to clipboard, so I can go over here and I can paste it. and click enter. As you can see, it will show up like this, like accept chest invitation. You can click on accept invitation, and as you can see, I'm in the same chest and I have all the same things. So of course this is built with Convex, which is basically like a real-time database. So let's say I can do like this, right? As you can see, show multi-user is there. I'm gonna go here and click that checkbox here, and as you can see, it disappeared from here. If I go to show completed, as you can see, it is there. So that is the multi-user and collaboration. I'm signed in as a different user on this side and a different user on this side. So it is literally just sharing a link, and literally two people or any number of people can share an actual chest and, like, collaborate over it. Okay, that is done. And there is multi-device. Let me get my phone for a second. As you can see, I'm on my phone and I'm scrolling and I come across a link I want to store. I can hit share, copy the link, and come over to the app on the phone. Also, this app is responsive. As you can see, it is responsive, and also it works on the mobile phone. And I can go here, paste it, and hit send. And as you can see, this just popped up on my laptop. So yeah, that is multi-device, and that's about it. And basically that is also the things that are given in this page. It has real-time collaboration, it has filters, and it is multi-device, multi-user, and also only you can see your chest. So for example, this link is here. I can just copy it and go to incognito tab and paste it and try to access the chest. But if you can see, it will say chest not found. So like, you need to be logged in and also have the permissions to be able to view the chest. So that is there. And yeah, how it works, you can log in with GitHub or just try it out anonymously. You can create your e-chest, you can store stuff in it, invite collaborators, filter, search, and also organize. Of course, there is a search feature. So if I search for run, you can see the only that thing pops up. So all those features are there. And of course, this is for the Tanstack Start and Convex Hackathon. I have used Tanstack Start, which is hosted on Netlify, and it was very easy. It's just that you connect your GitHub account, and on Vite config you just uh, install their package and also put it in the plugins, and you will be able to deploy it. You might have some things that you need to take care of, but it was really smooth deploying Tanstack Start on Netlify. And I'm also using Cloudflare. Basically, I'm hosting this HTML website on Cloudflare because it is just easy. I just did a HTML page and just put it on GitHub, and also both Netlify and Cloudflare has the automatic CI/CD. So you push into the main branch, it will be automatically deployed. I also used CodeRabbit, so I created a PR. It automatically did like the analysis of most of the things, and also showed a lot of things that I missed out. So that is really nice. So yeah, that is the stack that I built this app with. And also it's open source, so you can literally click it and you can see this is the thing. And yeah, of course, there is one more thing that I need to mention, which is Chef. So Chef is a AI app builder, but it is specifically for Convex. So if you can see here, there is this Convex, right? I can go to chest, for example. All this code is generated by Chef, and of course I went and double checked if everything is correct. But Chef was able to one shot, or I should have that. It is here. So, and yeah, as you can see here, it was able to build the backend of that app very easily. So basically, I gave a pretty much big description of what I wanted, and it was able to build the authentication and also the chest, as you can see here. So yeah, it was able to make a basic version of it, and from there I took it on and built the other important stuff that I wanted. So yeah, if at least if you are using Convex, definitely be sure to check out Chef. So yeah. So go and try this out and let me know what you think of this. Of course, I know there is Notion, there is Raindrop, and a lot of similar tools to this. But this is something that I specifically wanted because I have been using self chat in WhatsApp to send all these links. So from that, from there, this is a upgrade. So definitely be sure to let me know what you think of this, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.